animal kingdom.
Her husband had just crowed to signal the dawn. Before scratching off to look for seeds to eat, she sat on a branch high up on an acacia tree, safely protected by its thorns. She was happily minding her business when she heard the barking sound in the distance. She peered to where the sound was coming from. First with one eye, then with the other. Clucking to herself as chickens do. As the sound grew nearer, she finally made out the skulking shape of a jackal looming out of the shadowy dawn light towards her. The jackal had noticed her from a long way off. And his mouth began to water as he thought of what a succulent, tasty meal she would make. It was only now he was here that he realized that she was too high up in the tree for him to jump up and grab her. Those sharp thorns would injure him if he tried. He managed to control himself enough to say cheerfully, "Good morning, hen." "Good morning, jackal," the hen responded politely. "What brings you here?" The jackal thought quickly. "I have been sent by the lion to give all the animals I see an important message." "And what message is that?" inquired the hen. "Come down here and I will tell you," said the jackal. "It's not easy for me to keep looking up at you." The hen had heard all about how cunning and sly a jackal can be. Stories passed down through the years from chicken to chicken. She decided she would not trust him. "I'm quite fine here, jackal, thank you," she clucked back at him. "Go ahead and give me the message from there. I can hear you very well." "Okay," said the jackal, clearing his throat. "Well, the lion has declared all is well in the animal kingdom. So, from this moment, no animal is permitted to eat any other animal. Why not come down here to me so we can talk more easily?" The hen thought for a moment, then hopped onto a lower branch before she fluttered all the way down. However, she stopped and looked far into the distance. The jackal noticed this and said, "Hen, calm down. I will not harm you. The lion has commanded all is well in the animal kingdom. It will be far easier for us to talk." From where she was, she did not see him lick his lips in anticipation of eating her. "What is it that you see from up there that is taking all your attention away from me?" "Oh, nothing," responded the hen matter-of-factly. "Just a pack of hyenas coming this way." "Hyenas? Hyenas?" exclaimed the jackal before running quickly away. "Where are you going?" asked the hen. "You said lion had said all is well in the animal kingdom and that no animal is permitted to eat another." "Yes!" shouted the jackal. "I ran because it is possible hyenas have not yet heard that message." The hen laughed and clucked so loudly as she saw the jackal disappear into the distance. She was happy that at least this one time a chicken had got the better of a jackal.